How to create invoices in Airtable. Hi guys, welcome to this Airtable tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can create invoices in Airtable. So kindly watch and watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account. Once you're logged in, this is how the home page looks like. Once you're on this page, once you log in, you'll be asked to select the workspace or the page you want to work with. Once you selected it, you'll be brought to the editor's page where you can now edit the base to suit your needs. So then the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen where you can see some options like tools and then extensions. So you just go ahead and click on extension. Once you click on extension, you see the option add an extension. So click on add an extension and then wait for the page to load. Once it has loaded, you can see the different extensions available. So in the search box, you can just type out page designer because that is what we'll be working with. Once you see it, click on add. Then you can see adding extension. Wait for it to load. So once it has loaded, this is how the page looks like. First of all, you have to select a table. Do you want table 1 or table 1 copy? Then the kind of letter you want. Is it a business card or? And then once you're done, click on done. Now at this stage, I must let you know that for you to create invoices in Airtable is not just like any other software. You have to create it from the scratch. All right. So you have to be creative about it, and you have to be ready to put in the work. So the first step is to move to the left side of the screen and click on the text option, and then from here you can now decide to type out all you need to type. For example, the box displayed here, you can just go ahead and type out invoice. First of all, place it where you want to place it. You can expand it if you want, and you now decide to continue with your typing. Okay, so by the left side of the screen, all you need to do is to scroll down and then select the content that this box, and then whatever you type out in this box will reflect on the page. So you can just go ahead and type out invoice 1, and then once you're done typing that out, you can add more details if you want, maybe from relatives or to relatives, depending on what you want to type. And then once you are done, you can go ahead. You can also change the size of the font, scrolling down, and then change the size of the font in here. You can change the weight, you can change the line, you can make the background transparent, you can edit the border color, you can even duplicate elements if you want. You can delete elements as well. Then once you're done, you can also add image. All right, you can add image in here, either by pasting the URL, by editing. Just play around it and create your invoice. So this is basically how to do it. Basically how to create invoices on Airtable. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.